This is Bill at Highland Hill Farm. Do you ever walk outside your back door and the neighbor's dog sees you and he starts barking, woof, woof, woof? You know, really bothersome. Well, there is a secret to helping stop the dog from barking, and that is to not let the dog see you, which means you have to block his view. Now, we sell a tree called the green giant arborvitae that grows really fast, so you don't have to spend a lot of money on the trees. You plant them, and they grow upwards to 3 feet a year. The trick is, don't plant them on the property line, because that dog, he's liable to bring his leg over and treat it like a fire hydrant. That wouldn't be good. So plant them about 5 feet back from the property line to assure that Fido's leg-raising activities don't infect the tree. Now, you plant the trees between 5 and 8 feet apart, and as they grow 3 feet a year, they grow really fast. And another added benefit of this green giant arborvitae is it can take some shade, and it is also deer resistant. Now, you don't want to plant it in a wetland like a swale, but it can be just planted up out of a swale so that its roots stay dry and have dry feet, and that'll be fine and sufficient for the plant to do very well. The green giant is a tree that we grow in production here at Highland Hill Farm. We have them from seedlings up to 18-foot trees, and we can ship them bare root, potted, or balled and burlapped. And we do ship them to most East Coast cities. And just as a joke, operators are standing by to take your order. Supplies are limited, so please call us at 215-651-8329. We have plenty of trees, don't worry. Give us a call when you get a chance at Highland Hill Farm in Fountainville, PA. Also, you can come to the farm to visit the different kinds of trees that we sell and we deliver and plant throughout the East Coast. Again, this is Bill at Highland Hill Farm. Thank you.